So, hello again. Today we're at the East Cape Flex Project, Cape Coral, Florida. We just finished putting the walls up. So a week and a half ago, we was able to make it from permit issuance until fully erected tilt wall panels in 27 working days. So everybody's real happy about that. We've got our subcontractors working furiously on the various trades. So let's go take a look, see how they're doing. So inside, we started the fire sprinkler rough in. We finished up over top of the office portion. This end of the building is already leased out. It will be finished out with a firewall crossing right here. Our fire sprinkler subcontractor is continuing down towards the far end of the building. These spaces can be broken up into as small as 40 feet in width or the whole rest of the building, depending on the client's preference. You can hear our roofers are up top. They're working away furiously. We'll go look at them next. Up on the roof, our roofers are well underway with the composite roof system. We've got steel bar joists with corrugated metal decking, followed by an isolation board, which is covered with a rubber membrane type roof. It'll cover up to the top edge of the parapet with a continuous metal cap flashing all around. Our steel guys just finished up this past week. We immediately stocked the roof, and with any luck in the next few days, we'll be dried in down below, enabling us to continue with a lot of the interior build-out processes. All right, let's not forget about the outside. Our site crew is working hard, prepping for asphalt right outside of our concrete landing pads. We call them landing pads. It's for the semis to back in to our dock height doors for potential leasees. Our punch-out crew has all been done, ready for paint next week. It'll start by caulking the joints between the panels and then onto a primer coat. The first coat of paint always makes a huge difference in the way the building looks, but right now, except for everybody headed out on their way home, we're making progress on everywhere that we can. All right, well that about does it here at East Cape Flex. We have not been doing the walkthroughs like we would like to, but we're gonna make every effort. So keep your eye out for our next video when we go check out our new job, Naples MOB.